Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to move tasks to another project in Asana. This is incredibly useful when your work priorities shift or when a task needs to be reassigned to a different team or workflow. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to go to the Asana web app and log in if you haven't already. Once you're in, navigate to the project that currently contains the task you need to move. You can find this in your left sidebar where all your projects are listed. Click on that project to open it up. Now scroll through your task list and find the specific task you want to relocate. When you spot it, click directly on the task name. This action will open the task details panel on the right side of your screen, giving you access to all the options you need to manage this task effectively. With the task details panel now open, look for the More button at the top of the panel. It's represented by 3 dots, which is Asana's way of tucking away additional options to keep the interface clean. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu with several actions you can take from that drop-down menu. Select Add to another project. This is the key feature that allows you to place your task in a different project without losing any of its existing information, comments, or attachments. It's a seamless way to reorganize your work as your needs evolve. A new drop-down window will appear where you can search for or select the destination project. Type in the project name if you have many projects, or simply scroll through the list to find the one you need. Click on it to select it as your new destination. Here's an important detail. If the project you're moving the task to has multiple sections, you'll see a section drop-down appear. This lets you choose exactly where within that project the task should land. Select the appropriate section from the drop-down to ensure your task is organized properly from the start. Once you've made your selections, the task will automatically appear in the new project and section you specified. The beauty of this feature is that the task maintains all its original details while now living in its new home, making project management much more flexible. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.